Hello everyone, I'm so excited to share this video with you. Today we're going to spend the day feeling like a fairy princess. We're going to make a delicious drink, make some pancakes, going to make some fairy wings, going to dress up as a fairy princess, then we're going to decorate for Christmas and decorate the tree. And after this magical day, we're going to bed and have some sweet dreams. The first thing that I love to do is to wake up in my beautiful shabby chic princess inspired bed. Then I love to have a nice and relaxing bath inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet. So today we're going to make ourselves a delicious drink. I got this adorable pink mug and I added some coffee. Then I add some hot water. And some milk to my drink. I love to add a lot of milk to my drink. It's so delicious. Then I added some more milk. I just love how this drink turned out. So we're going to add some edible golden flakes to our drink. I just love how pretty it looks. It looks so delicious. I also love to have some cream and sprinkles in my drink. I added a lot of cream. And some pretty pink sprinkles. I just love how this drink turned out. It looks like the prettiest fairy princess drink. And it's so delicious as well. So today we're going to make some delicious pancakes for breakfast. I just love to make some pancakes for breakfast, and I added a lot of buttercream. I just love to add some buttercream to my pancakes. It tastes so delicious and it looks so pretty as well. I also added a little rose to make it look extra more beautiful. I just love how these pancakes turned out. They look so adorable and they taste so delicious. Such a lovely treat for the Christmas holiday season. I just love to spoil myself with some pancakes, and during the Christmas time is the perfect occasion. And I just love how pretty they look with the flowers. Such a lovely treat. So today we're going to make some fairy wings for our fairy costume. I'm so excited to share this tutorial with you. So today we're going to make these beautiful fairy wings. The first thing that I did was to add some pink ruffled edges to the wings. I like to use some textile glue. You just use some textile glue and add it to the edges of the wings. Then you add some ruffled fabric. I use some pink ruffled fabric. I will link some for you down below. I use some pink fabric, but you can use any color that you like. I also got the fairy wings from Amazon and they were like 10 pounds. They were like really cheap. So I will link them down below for you as well. So yeah, the first thing that you do is just to add the edges to the wings. I'm using some textile glue, but you can use a little glue gun too. This was so fun and easy to make, and I love how beautiful these fairy wings turned out. So I'm so excited to share this tutorial with you. So yeah, now I'm going to add the edges to the underneath of the wings. So you're just going to add them to the side using some textile glue or a glue gun. Then I'm going to add the edges to the other side of the wings. And again, I just use my little textile glue on the edges, and then I'm adding the ruffled details. I just love how it turned out already. It looks so pretty with the ruffled edges and the beautiful ruffled fabric. Such a lovely tutorial. And I'm using these wings for my fairy costume, but you can also use them to decorate your home. They look so pretty already. I love the ruffled edges. So yeah, once you're done with adding all the ruffled edges to the wings, you're going to add some beautiful flowers. I love to use some beautiful roses in pretty pink colors. I found some roses from the range, which I will link down below. I also found some roses from Amazon. So yeah, I will link down below where I found these roses for you. So yeah, you're just going to add the roses. I add them to the middle. And then you're going to secure them with some textile glue. So yeah, I used a lot of roses because I thought it would look so pretty. It was a bit of a puzzle to make them look so beautiful in the middle of the wings. But once I was really happy with how everything looked, I'm starting to use my textile glue and added the roses to the wings. So this is how the fairy wings turn out. I think they look so pretty and I'm so in love with how beautiful they look. I love all the pretty roses. I also added a floral detail that I found from Etsy and I will link it down below for you. I love all the roses and the beautiful ruffled details. I love how pretty and shabby chic they look. They really remind me of some beautiful princess fairy wings. I just love how beautiful these fairy wings turned out. I love all the little flowers and the pretty ruffled details. These fairy wings are perfect for my fairy princess costume. So yeah, now we're going to dress up as a beautiful fairy princess. The first thing that I'm doing is to pick out a gorgeous dress to wear today. So I'm wearing this beautiful silky dress, which I will link down below for you. Then I'm wearing my fairy wings, and I also made a cute little fairy crown with the same roses that I used on the wings. So today we're going to start decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited that Christmas is already here, and I'm so excited to start decorating. I found this adorable pink nutcracker from TK Maxx the other day, and I had to bring it home with me. It's so pretty and pink. So today we're going to decorate our table for Christmas. I added my favorite vintage china pieces. This adorable pink nutcracker. I love all the pink and the gold. I also added this beautiful little swan that I found from Wilco a couple years ago. I love her little crown. She looks so adorable. Then I have my little vintage teacup. And I found this beautiful Marie Antoinette inspired ornament from TK Maxx as well. Some beautiful flowers. I love to decorate our home with flowers, especially for Christmas. Then I have another little swan. She's so adorable with her little crown. And yeah, this is our table, how it turned out. I love how it turned out. It looks so pretty. This is our Christmas tree. I love all the beautiful pink flowers, and I added some gold bubbles as well. And I just love how it turned out. I love all the pink and the gold. So this is our beautiful pink Christmas tree. I love all the pink flowers. I think it looks so adorable. And I added some gold and some pink. And yeah, it looks gorgeous. I just love how beautiful it turned out. And I have my little Christmas angel and some swans. So yeah, now we're going to bed and have some sweet dreams about this magical day. So this was my video for how to spend the day feeling like a beautiful Christmas fairy princess. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.